Hi guys, in this videos we are gonna be checking out the top 10 best bamboo bath mats in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so number 10. Teak, the original great teak bath shower mat. If you want to buy a product with excellent construction and complete peace of mind, then you can think about buying this one. The manufacturer offers a 5-year warranty and 30 days satisfaction guarantee to the buyers. It manufactured using superior teak wood in a very beautiful design. On top of that, there is rubber gripping added for.
If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below.
Number 9. Design bamboo floor mat. If you are a little bit short on the budget and want a bamboo mat that works perfectly in the bathroom, then buy a product manufactured by the Untitled brand that has a great reputation in the market. They have used natural and non-renewable material for creating this sophisticated mat. There are extra coating and non-stick backing provided for best longevity and safety respectively. It is a perfect option for a ding. Number 8. Anki Luxury Bamboo Bath Mat. Made from finest quality bamboo, this product can define as the perfect combination of durability, strength, and density. It is one of the best bamboo bath mats that can turn out to be an awesome addition to your bathroom decor. In addition to the bathroom, this product can be a brilliant option for using near the pool. Moreover, there is little to no maintenance demand. Number 7. Water-resistant bamboo floor mat. It is a dark-colored bamboo bath mat that delivered in plenty of different sizes to ensure everyone can find easily one according to their needs and requirements. The company has used natural bamboo material equipped with a water-resistant coating for better performance. There is fabric border added on the mat for ensuring proper placement on the ground. Number 6. Works luxurious bamboo bath mat. Finding a bathroom mat with such an incredible finish is pretty difficult. It is a pretty larger size, having pretty wonderful colors that don't get fat even after years. It manufactured using top-grade material and equipped with an airflow design for making drain quickly. On top of that, the company has incorporated anti-slip pads that prevent shifting to a greater extent. If you have a large. Number 5. Goblin Large Bath Mats Shower Mat. If you want to buy a bamboo bath mat that ensures no slippage-related issues occurs, then go for this amazing product by Goblin brand. It is a very brilliant product that looks pretty sleek on the ground. On top of that, this product has a special construction that is completely resistant to slippage. It has a triple coating along with water-resistant and smoother material. The manufacturer has added 12 anti-slip gaskets on the bottom side that ensure the mat stays firmly at the place. Number 4. Bambusi Bamboo Bath Mat Shower Floor Mat. If you are looking to provide a contemporary appearance to your bathroom, then this amazing product can be an ideal choice to make. This Bambusi floor mat offers a perfect mixture of style and nature to the bathroom. That's not all, this product can work in the kitchen along with the bathroom. There are 6 soft pads added by the manufacturer that prevent sliding and provide protection at the same time. Number 3. Creative Bath Eco Styles Bath Mat. There is no way that this innovative product gets missed from this list of best bamboo bath mats. This product by Creative Bath brand manufactured using eco-friendly material and offered a firm contact with the ground. The company has added rubber feet that ensure no slippage occurs. The company has crafted it in a ribbed and vented manner for offering adequate comfort level to the users. That's not all, the maintenance recommended by this product is almost minimal. Number 2. Interdesign Bamboo Floor Mat. If you want to buy a bamboo bath mat having all the features providing safety and anti-slip resistance, then you need to buy this bamboo bath mat without thinking further. It can use in almost all the places in the bathroom due to non-slip design. It has a very clean and modern design that will match the decor of your place perfectly. The majority of users fall in love with its natural style. Number 1. Bamburoba Bath Shower Mat. The thing that tops our list is this amazing product that made use in Gecko-Friendly bamboo material. It is a perfect bathroom mat that equips with rubber on the bottom for perfectly protecting the floor. On top of that, it has pretty wide slats that let the water slide quite easily that eliminate the need for soaking. There is no need for any assembly needed for this product, and you will love its presence for sure. It is one of the best bamboo bath mats in every possible manner.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.